How to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to Click Command, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So first things first, open up your settings. After you open up your settings, scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. Tap on it and type in your passcode. After you enter your passcode, you will be on your Face ID and passcode settings. After you're here, scroll down and there you should find Stolen Device Protection. Tap on it and here all you have to do is turn it off. After you go through with the Face ID, your stolen device protection will get turned off. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.